I'm in my classroom. Hey teacher friends, welcome to Sutton Teaches Secondary. I am Miss Sutton. You can call me MarQuitta, by the way. Hey, I'm excited that you're with me. I'm in my classroom, y'all. I can't believe it. Like, really in my classroom. Like, we're really going back to school. I know some of you did hybrid while we were in this pandemic. I did not. So since we have been on quarantine since February of, I don't even know what year, I have been home, teaching from home the entire time. So my classroom needs a little love, y'all. It actually needs a lot of love. I'm gonna insert some footage of my classroom. I did a little walk around just to take a look and see what's going on. So as you can see, it's not terrible. Like, I still have some things up from when I was here, because when we left, we thought we were gonna be gone for about a month or so and then come back, and then we never came back. So I'm gonna be taking some time to update some of the things I already have on the walls and already have going, and then we finish some of these DIY projects that I have been planning on doing and all of that good stuff. There's a lot of stuff I need to do. If I really went through all of the things I need to do, it'd be way too much. So today I am sticking to just a few things on my list, and then the next time I come back, I'll tackle some more. You know, we're doing this the way you eat an elephant, one bite at a time. So 1, I need to find the rest of my furniture. 2, I wanted to paint this bookshelf that I've been wanting to paint for a while and just never did. 3, I don't have a ton of whiteboard space in my room, and so I'm hopefully going to be working on getting me some more whiteboard space. We'll see how that goes. And then last, I have these chairs that are really great chairs, and they're tall and they're nice when we're doing like reading together, that kind of stuff, for me to sit in the front of the room, but I never finished painting them. I really think I ran out of paint and just didn't have time. So that's what I'm working on today. Those are my 4 goals. So come with me. Let's work on our room. Well, not your room. It's not our room. It's my room. Let's work on my room. So this is the shelf that I want to paint. As you can see, it is older, but I love it because it's wooden and it's got some beautiful character to it. So good news, y'all. I found my furniture. Whew. So during the pandemic, when we did switch to hybrid, some teachers were using classrooms and some teachers weren't. Long story short, my furniture from my classroom got moved because there was a teacher in here using this for the pandemic. Now, I am adjoined to another teacher next door. And when I went in there, because I was like, let me just see if there's some stuff in there. And I was looking for my baskets, my crates, and then all my furniture was in there. So that's something else on my list. Yeah, I found my furniture. I'm not gonna move it today because I need help. But the rest of my furniture that I need, like my extra tables, all that good stuff, is there. So, woohoo! Okay, I need to get the rest of these books off and clean this bookshelf because it is very dirty. And then I'm gonna have to sand it and like get some. Even if I didn't paint it, this thing was dirty. It needed some love, so I wiped it down. It's all disinfected, and now I am going to sand it, and then hey teacher friends. Okay, so we're back. I finished the shelf. It is done being painted. Yay. Also, I don't know how the air has been sounding in the background, but I apologize if you hear the air. It's because it's hot and I definitely need the air on. But a lot has happened in the little bit of time that I had lunch and finished painting. So I'm gonna take you with me and we will see what's going on. Overall, I am so happy with the new product for the most part. And a little imperfection down the bottom. We're not gonna worry about it. So these are the 2 chairs I was talking about that I have that are high chairs. I love these chairs. I need to paint them, but let me take them around to the front. So the teal color I really like, but it doesn't really go with what I got going on in my classroom this year. So that one needs to be painted. And then this one, I really was dealing with this all year. So I need to change and paint that one too. Hey teacher friends, so I am in the corner, like should be where my desk is. My desk is on the other side of the room, go figure. I've got lots of furniture to move anyway. Anywho, I just wanted to check in because it is much later. I am much sweatier because I was outside spraying my chairs. They look so great. I'm gonna insert a moment where you can see that now. I finally finished the chairs, y'all. Look at them, they look so much better than they did before. And I think I want to put something up here with my Cricut. Like I'll use some vinyl and like put something up there. So I spray painted my chairs, I found my furniture, I painted the bookshelf that desperately needs to be painted. That is all I'm going to be able to get done today. I tried. I will not be able to get to do my whiteboard project today, but hopefully I get to do that soon. And just in general, I'm gonna be having a lot of other things to do around here, as you can see. Now, I did wanna take you on a little final tour because there's some things I'm still trying to figure out, and you all have wonderful ideas, so I'm gonna share with you what I'm thinking, and you share back with me, like, what do you think? The borders around my bulletin boards, I definitely want to change. I don't know if I want to make them fabric, but I know I don't want burlap. So that's kind of interesting. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with the borders. So if you have some ideas, let me know. And this quote that I have in the front of my classroom, the quote always serves as like the theme for my classroom every year. And this has been my quote for a really long time and I love it. But I don't know if I should switch it up. So if you have a quote that you think would be great, the letters themselves though will be done differently. I'm going to do those as a project as well. So as you are planning for the school year and thinking about things that you need for your classroom, as well as things that you might need as far as planners and other things go, check out these videos. You will love them. Or check out some other videos that I have. I'm sure you're going to enjoy them. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe. You do not want to miss all the fun we have going on in this classroom. We're getting it together. I haven't even put all the icing on the cake and everything yet. It's gonna be so great. So you don't want to miss it. I also am going to be doing a full thing getting my library together because I'm getting a bigger library this year as far as my classroom books go. So it's just gonna be exciting. We got a lot of fun this summer because summer's still going. I'm hot. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. And I will see you next time. As always, remember, you are amazing. All right, bye.